If you need to resize a photo in Photoshop and make sure the final file size lands somewhere under 10K to 50KT, this video will walk you through the exact process. The key is to control both the pixel dimensions and the compression quality, because file size is not just about making the image smaller. If you keep a huge image and just try to crush the quality, it can turn blurry fast. So in this tutorial, I'll show you the cleanest way to reduce the size first, then export it with a precise file size range in mind. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your image in Photoshop. Before you export anything, you want to reduce the overall pixel dimensions. This is important because smaller dimensions usually mean a smaller file size and better control over the final result. At the top menu, click Image, then choose Image Size. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+I on Windows, or Command+Option+I on Mac. When the image size window opens, look for the width and height settings and change the unit from whatever it is now to pixels. Make sure the little chain or link icon is turned on so the width and height stay locked together. That way, your image won't get stretched or distorted. Now, set the width somewhere between 800 pixels and 1200 pixels. For most web uploads, forms, and general online use, that range is usually enough to keep the image looking decent while still making it easier to compress. If you make it too large, Photoshop will have a harder time pushing it into the 10kps to 50kps range without sacrificing quality. Also, check the resolution field and set it to 72 pixels per inch or 96 pixels per inch. For screen viewing, that is totally standard and helps keep the file optimized for online use. Once everything looks right, click OK. Now comes the part that gives you the most control over the final file size. Go to File, then Export, then click Export As. This is one of the best options when you want to dial in a specific file size, because Photoshop gives you a live estimate before you actually save the image. On the right-hand panel, set the format to JPG. JPG is usually the best choice here because it compresses photos very efficiently while keeping good visual quality. Next, look at the lower left corner of the export window. Photoshop will show you an estimated final file size, like 68.2 kilobytes or maybe even higher depending on your image. Now move over to the quality slider in the right-hand panel. Start lowering the quality gradually, usually somewhere around 50 to 60%, and watch the file size update in real time. The goal here is to find the sweet spot where the image is still clear enough, but the final file size sits inside your target range. Ideally, aim for around 25key to 40key, because that keeps you safely under the 50kp limit while also staying above the 10kp minimum. If the file is still too large, lower the quality a little more, or go back and reduce the image dimensions slightly. If it drops too low and goes under 10K, you may need to increase the quality a bit or raise the pixel size slightly so the image doesn't become overly compressed. This is why the live preview is so useful. You can make small adjustments and immediately see how each change affects the final result. There is one more step that can save you a few extra kilobytes. Scroll down in the export window until you find the metadata section. Images often contain hidden data like camera information, date taken, location details, and other embedded information that adds weight to the file without improving the visible image. Change the metadata option to None. That removes the extra data and can help lower the size just enough to keep your file inside the 10K to 50KT range. Also, make sure Convert to sRGB is turned on so the colors stay consistent when the image is uploaded to websites or forms. Once you're happy with the preview and the file size is where you want it, click Export. Choose the folder where you want to save the image, give it a name, and save your optimized file. After that, you'll have a resized photo that meets your target size range without wasting extra space or destroying the image quality. So, that's the simplest way to resize photos in Photoshop under 10 kilobytes to 50 kilobytes. The main idea is to lower the pixel dimensions first, then fine-tune the JPG compression in Export As, and finally strip out metadata for a little extra savings. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Photoshop tips, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.